Okay, let's talk again about customers and leads. And let's talk about the abandoned cart. That is, customers who left their shopping cart abandoned did not complete the purchase. So in previous lessons, we created automations. We will want to go into the abandoned cart and actually activate those automations. Okay? Additionally, when we come here, we will actually be able to see various purchases that remain open, and we can actually create some interactions with these abandoned purchases. Another thing that can be found in customers and leads is actually a loyalty program, some kind of customer loyalty program. We can actually turn this site into a kind of gamification and essentially take the users and get them to build some kind of loyalty program. So let's open this program. Of course, it also requires, let's give it a name. What do we actually want to call how do we want to name the points? So the points basket, or we can say another name. We have an icon that will actually show that these are points, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so there are a few things we need to do. First of all, it's to add a loyalty page to the site so that the users themselves can log in and check how many points they've accumulated. And we also need to install a loyalty widget that allows them, for the users, to see their points during checkout. Okay, of course, we'll do this at the end with the upgrades. So basically what we want to create in the first section, in the point, is the ways in which the user can earn points. That is, there are two examples here. We will leave them, where basically the first goal, the first objective is for every dollar the user spends on the site, they actually receive 1 point. Upon registering on the site for the first time, they receive 50 points. Okay? And of course, we can add more and more. For example, following us on social networks, Facebook, Instagram, address correction, Instagram, TikTok, okay? I just gave a random address. Let's see if it works. All right. And how many points do we want to give them? Let's say you're 10. And essentially, we've created a new way to earn money if they follow us on social networks. Okay? So what are the prizes? We can also create a reward. Okay? Meaning for every 10 points, they can get a $1 discount. Okay? When they go to the shopping cart and are about to pay, we can check how many points they have and accordingly reduce the purchase cost. Of course, we can activate email automations. For example, when they join the site's loyalty program, to alert users when they have enough points to receive discounts or gifts, to remind inactive users to use the points they have, and so on. So this is essentially how we build a loyalty program. Very, very useful on websites. It gives people a sense of a game where they are doing things and earning rewards. Many times, users will be able to receive gifts depending on the settings we add here. Of course, for this to happen, we need to update the program, upgrade it, and once we update, we can actually save the program.